Here's a little tip you're probably not aware of on how to not get lost or overwhelmed in Ringy. Let me show you now. All right, so it's pretty normal when you're starting a new software to feel a little overwhelmed, and you may feel lost because there might be new things that you're not familiar with. So what we've done to help you with this is when you go to Ringy on any menu page that you go to, you'll see a question mark. And that question mark on the top left here is our knowledge base for all of the features that's on that particular page. So if we go to, let's say, the leads page, people typically ask, how do I upload a CSV? And the way to do that is you would go to upload CSV. And now the next question is, where do I do from here? So if you get look confused or you forgot on what was in our training videos, simply come to the question mark. You click on upload CSV, and then it takes you directly to our knowledge base that tells you everything about the CSV, or you can go through the tutorial video again, and it'll walk you step by step on how to do that. So never get lost with the features in Ringy. Remember, any menu that you go to, you simply click on the knowledge base for that particular page, and we have a tutorial video or knowledge base that can walk you through it. All right, so that's a simple way. Use that tip. Make sure you contact our support team if you need additional help, or if you use my link to sign up, I'll be able to help you one-on-one as well. Happy selling.